That was So What by Miles Davis. I've included the piano intro at the beginning here, transcribed for guitar. So you can optionally check that out. I'd recommend it. Work through that. I've included the melody that is typically played by the bass, transcribed for the guitar, so you can play that and have fun with that. Keep in mind that if you play this out somewhere, you may want to just let the bass take the melody while you play the chord parts from the piano and the horns. Next up, we're going to have another playthrough with the tablature, Guitar Pro deck diagram, and standard notation. Then we'll have a step-by-step going through it. Please like and subscribe to help out the channel and also to get updates on when new content comes out. Also join our email newsletter so you get exclusive live stream invitations as well as free lessons sent straight to your inbox. Check the description down below. Okay, let's get started. Okay, now let's go through the step-by-step. Okay, so here we are in position 11. Remember, this is a transcription of the piano part in the original recording applied to the guitar. So we have position 11, and then we're going to move to position 9. Okay, measure 2, we're going to move down 2 positions to position 7. Play this triad on the first 3 strings and move that 2 frets down. And then we're going to play string 4, fret 5. And then we're going to move those triads up 2 frets. Now we're going to go to the lower register. We're going to play on strings 5 and 6. Okay, then we're going to get string 6 involved here. And move up to position 4 from position 2. Okay, now we have a series of triads. Mostly it's going to be a second inversion, major triad, but we do have a minor triad mixed in there. So position 4, 6, 7, 6, 7. Here's our A minor triad. Okay, then we're moving to position 6, measure 7, and then down position 4 into position 1. Then the bass plays a little bit, and we start in with the melody. So the melody is actually given to the bass, but I'm including it here in case you want to play it and have fun with it, but just be aware that if you're playing this out somewhere, most likely the bass will simply take the melody and you'll play the stacked notes, the chord hits there. Okay, so we are in, let's say, position 5 and position 4 here. Okay, and then we're going to play the D minor. Okay, you can also play just the triad on the first 3 strings. Listening to the recording, it really does sound like there's at least an overtone of the A, so I'm including the A on string 4 and then the G here. Then we're going to play a very similar melody. Okay, and then we play our chord tones there. Okay, more melody. Chords again. Okay, and then we're going to play up here with a little grace note into this 9th fret, and then we're going to play 7 on string 3 and then string 4, and we're going to quickly play the chords again. Okay, so all of that will repeat. Do this part again. Okay, play those chords. Chords again. Okay, position 7. And then the chords. Okay, now we get into the B section. We're going to essentially play a half step higher, but there are some other differences as well. Okay, so that's the same there. And we play the chords a half step higher than we did before. Okay, chords again. Okay. Chords again. And here we go back and state this a little bit differently than the A sections. Okay, and then we're going back just like the A section. Okay, chords again. Position 7, grace note. Okay, we've gone over the melody. Let's talk a little bit about the form. So we have AABA form, and the A section is D minor 7 throughout. And the associated mode is going to be Dorian. Okay, and then when we get to the B section, we move up a half step and we play E flat Dorian. And then we go back to the D minor 7. Thanks for watching. You may need more help with this tune. You can self-book a private lesson using the link down in the description. If you're looking for exercises and talks where you can learn and improve your skills on your own time, sign up for a free trial to our membership site, fretprints.com. Enjoy your practice session, and I'll see you all in the next one.